Meaning of hemorrhagic.
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 Hemorrhagic. Hemorrhagic refers to a condition characterized by bleeding from blood vessels. The bleeding can occur internally or externally, and it is usually caused by the rupture of blood vessels due to various reasons, such as trauma, injury, infection, or illness. Hemorrhagic conditions can have serious consequences, including organ damage, shock, and even death. Treatment depends on the underlying cause and may involve stopping the bleeding, restoring blood pressure and volume, and addressing the underlying condition. Hemorrhagic conditions should be treated as a medical emergency and require prompt and intensive care.